GB built back again. Today we're gonna start on the wide body kit. I already started off camera just to see the fitment and all that, but I'll show you where I'm at now. Right now, I actually mount up one side already. I cut a part of the fender. I'm not finished with all of the cutting yet. Still have a lot more cutting to go. On the back fender, I don't do no form of cutting yet. Just mount it up so it fits. Right now, I'm gonna put on one of the wheel spacers to see how it actually push the wheel out. After I put on the spacer on the back and try to put on the wheel right here of the side skirt, it's too far in, it's touching the wheel, so I can't put on the wheel. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some adjustments. I'm gonna cut off a piece of this and push it back and repair this. So I'm gonna put it down on the ground and see how it looks. On the front, look really good. Back, we need to come out a little bit further, so I'm definitely gonna get a bigger spacer for the back. I know I need a bigger spacer, but I want to just test fit the 50 millimeter spacer, so I'm gonna use these two spacers on the front and try to get something big for the back. So I'm gonna start on the other side now. This is where everything's sitting right now. It's not final yet because I need to do some more cutting. As you can see down there, the space need to go in, so I still have to cut out something right at the back, and then I put two screws in right there. So all I'm gonna do is just screw down this part. This part is pretty much fitted, but still have to make adjustments. Still have to make adjustments up by the front, but everything is looking good so far. This side is looking real good. It's the next day, guys. I took the wide body kit off the car to do the final cut. So here's the body kit on the floor. I have to cut a part of the side skirt because it was rubbing on the wheel, so I have to cut it. I'm gonna put it back together like this. I'm gonna fiberglass it back together like that. On this side, I just need to cut this piece right here off because this cut is perfect already. As you can see, I installed new rotors and the 50mm spacer, so it's pushing out exactly where I want it. Going on to the back, you can see I have to cut it right there. I've installed a rotor as well, and I'll put 2 spacers on the back for now until I get some wider wheels. So I'm gonna start all the cutting right now, and the same thing on this side as well. Cut all of that, coming down. You can see it's touching the wheel right here. And that's it, and I'm going to repeat the process on the next side. So this is what it looks like right now. Looking really good. For right now, I just put in some drywall screw in it. I'm still waiting on some screws right now. I ordered some 6M screws. So right now I'm just waiting for them to come in. And then I'm gonna use a rib nut. This is the gun right here. I'm just gonna screw it in.